Hey everyone, my name's Justin. Thanks for visiting my channel. In this video series, I want to highlight what I think are some of the most interesting new features and enhancements to ServiceNow in their latest release called San Diego, coming this March of 2022. You already saw the thumbnail when you clicked on this video, so let's dive right into some San Diego goodness. In this video, I want to talk about user experience analytics. This was new. I got my San Diego PDI. I started using San Diego for work, and I noticed in the bottom left-hand corner a lot of times when I was loading pages, so way down here, you know how it shows you the kind of URL, like what it's waiting for or something like that? I kept seeing this api-appc.service-now.com. I was like, what's this api-appc? Well, apparently, the Next Experience UI gives us it's an API for user analytics, so tracking your users, where they are on the desktop, on the mobile devices, and where they're clicking, where they're going. I was like, well, that's pretty cool. How do I get to that? That is user experience analytics. So let's jump into it. Let's show you what this looks like and what you can actually see once you have that enabled in your system. So I've got a dashboard for user experience analytics that I can jump to. Got some settings, authentications, and properties. I'm not going to get into any of this. I just want to give you a high level look at this thing that's pretty cool. You come to a dashboard, and one of the categories you're going to see is the system navigation UI, the Next Experience UI. But every application and portal also has these user experience analytics. So at a high level overview for all the applications, we can see the active unique users, how many sessions, how many average sessions per user, and then the application usage down here. So there you see my unified navigation app. That's everything you see around the top and the side for your navigation. The Now Experience, the Alignment Workspace, and SPM, not ITVM, CMDB, Project Workspace, CSM, all these different things. We can see the active users, the sessions, the average sessions, all that stuff. And then look, we can launch a dashboard into those specific applications. So let's focus on Now Experience. That's something common everybody's going to have. Let's jump into that dashboard. Once we're in there, we get to break down that data even further in the user experience analytics. So again, there's our users, our sessions, page views, average session duration, total sessions over time, users logging in over time. Oh my gosh, look at all this data. Top applications, funnels of completion, top events. I come over here to my left nav. I can break down the sessions. I can see what do the first sessions look like? What do my returning users look like? Let me just hover over that again so you can see it. Loyal users, quick abandon, short sessions, long sessions, all these stats and details about people logging in. Here, this is my PDI. Someone's coming in from Johnstown, Pennsylvania on a Mac. That's probably actually me using my VPN, but still, hey, that's cool. I might see somebody coming from an area that I shouldn't be seeing them from, so I can bring that to my attention, and then I can go look into that session data and see different things. I can break down my user data, see who's coming in as new or returning users, and let that, well, there's no users in that one. Thank you, PDI. UI analysis. So if I wanted to see how users are actually flowing through as they're clicking and doing things on my instance. So I've got my unified navigation. If I hover over that, I can see they're, just bouncing around the different UI elements. But if I was in an actual application, let's pull up, let's say, Project Workspace. That'll bring up some user analytics there. We can look at the UI analysis and the user flow, and then we see a little bit different there. So someone's coming in, they're starting their session, they're hopping over to the planner or the home page and then going back, or over here to dashboards and then back. So just helpful things that we can see now. There's probably so much to uncover here. I'm not going to be able to cover it in a short video, but I wanted to bring it to your attention. If you enable the Next Experience, go ahead, start looking at the user experience analytics, because you'll be able to see what your users are doing on the desktop, on the mobile device, and what their behavior is like. I hope you found this video helpful, and we'll see you on the next one. This is just one of many San Diego highlight feature videos I'm going to make, so if you liked it, please share it with a colleague. If you'd like to support me, please like, subscribe. If there's something you want to see that I didn't show and you want to get it on the list of things that we're going to cover on this channel, drop me a note in the comment. I'll definitely check all those. And other than that, we'll see you on the next video. Thanks for your time.